Hello again from Forex Info US on Thursday the 12th of November with your Euro-US dollar Elliott wave chart analysis. Yesterday during New York's trading session, the Euro tried to move up in a fairly unconvincing fashion, didn't quite make a new high. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see what's happening. It's had pretty much no downwards momentum since we last posted, so it's still trading within these parallel trend channels, which contain the last upward fifth wave movement, 5 within C. Still hasn't broken out of this. It's sitting on the trailing along this midline of the trend channel, hasn't broken above this. That's probably what constrained yesterday afternoon's upward movement. Having a look at the hourly chart, we have still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1 down, followed by an expanded flat correction, A, B, C for wave 2, up. Wave 2 up is a really deep correction, however, technically this wave count still stands. Interesting to note that within this wave C, we've probably got a nice clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the fifth wave being the shortest as it runs out of momentum. Also interesting to note, after yesterday's New York trading session upward push, it stalled and then it started to move down. This downward movement is pretty unconvincing as well. If this is the end of wave C and the end of the second wave, then we have the beginning of a third wave down. In the beginning of a third wave down, we would expect to see some very strong downwards movement. At the beginning of this first wave, we had a move of 218 pips in one day. We would expect to be seeing a similar movement or greater movement for the beginning of a third wave down, and this is a completely unconvincing attempt. This makes me think that perhaps it's going to go back up and have another go at making a new high. It may or may not get there. If it does get there, I do not expect a much greater high than 1.5062 back on the 26th of October, simply because it's running out of steam. Each upward push, each subsequent upward push is less and less further move in price. It would be highly likely that it has another go trying to get up here, doesn't quite make it, and then turns back down sharply. Whichever way, we're going to be watching the wave behaviour very closely. Wave behaviour being an extremely important clue as to where we are in the wave count. When we do see the beginning of a third wave, we really will expect to see some very sharp, solid downward movement. If that's not what we're seeing, then I'm of the mind that something else is happening. A lot of people have downloaded our free candlestick pattern guide. The link's only going to be up here on our homepage for a little while longer now. We've got something else new coming for you. We've got a new relationship developing with Forex Pro Charts, which will be here soon. Another way to use, another tool to use that's outside of any brokerage service that will give you independent analysis of price movement on useful interactive charts. So that's going to be coming in a little while. Until then, may all your trades be profitable and have a good day.